if it too open, dirty, it go enter inside. This message is for Mama Regina. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time or you just didn't get post for YouTube, you see this channel for the first time, please consider to hit that red button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we post video here. Now Torina with the talk for you. Thank you for coming around again and God bless you. So today we want to talk about Regina Daniels. Regina Daniels story, now story when many people really need to learn from, especially young ladies, that not be every time when your mom go push you or beg you for something, don't take decisions so quickly, because I think Regina take quick decision on this marriage. For people who don't know Regina now one superstar. She started acting when she did very small, and many people like her when she be small fine girl. She come marry one Papa Yoyo when use almost 40 years or 40 years to senior her, and ever since she dey live social media life, that's why people they always they shook mouth. But for the matter, make people not they blame the presenters or the vloggers or the news people, because not be only presenters they carry a matter, even news BBC they carry and other people that they carry a story too. You see, they say na very interesting life story. That's why any small thing people they carry. And besides that, Regina they live social media. Regina mama know quite alright say Nedwoko na Father Abraham of Nigeria. He purposely carry Regina give the husband. Apart from that, people say that the mother na force her. Then the mother come out come talk say
the small girl come and come cry give her and say they force her enter the marriage. Now level, I mean maybe mama no get the right to tell her say come no love.
You see, Mama Regina lie. He said the daughter find love, and she will be the mama no fit tell and say why she find love. She lied, not knowing that now she use her hand, then carry this her daughter go give the man. How that one can't be love?
Before I met her, I didn't know about her. I don't watch movies. Never watch movies. I met her the first time when she came to my house with her mother and her siblings.
Truth always hide for back of door. One day the door will open, the truth go come out. Then don't cause it they come out. So there are so many secrets when that man never review. He just send that message as a sound warning to Regina mama, because Regina mama don't dey pass boundary. She still say Ned won't corner the kind of man when you go marry small pikin. The small pikin go they push your head like this. Go here, go there, sit down there, wash my this, clean my shoe. You know, Nedwoko is not that kind of man. Nedwoko na ekuneme. If you talk am, now so it dey be. Woman no fit control Nedwoko. Now Nedwoko they control women. Nedwoko Otonokpo no dey work for am, because you know they see heads. He is set now Otonokpo, so he no fit work for am. Ojuju they cash Ojuju. So what they try to talk here? Regina Daniels, the load too much for her. She don't get what she want to. Now she come out, come talk, say husband can marry more wives. You understand? Because people don't they attack her, say why you go come they talk say me your husband not marry, and you not come join woman, and you not come meet woman for there, you not get right to talk. You understand? Now she come out, come talk, and she they try to defend herself. Mama no de oh, Papa no de oh. If you want to kill me today. I will never follow you to that station. You know, Regina not get anybody when want fight for her. That makes she come out and say, my husband can marry as many wives when he say he want marry. He not holy husband, me he not marry. Okay, where is Mama Regina now? For Nedwoko, not be say I really they support Nedwoko, but Nedwoko come out, come talk in mind. Nedwoko not love any of his wife.
I love children, so I want more children, and she knows this, and my other wives they also know it. So we'll see what happens in the future. I love my culture, not my culture as I know it, not as they're trying to dilute it now. You know, I love culture.
Okay, you hear, he's saying love children, he love culture. You see, huh? This man sit down jejeje for a house for Asaba. Regina mama arrange Regina go meet this man for a house for Asaba. When you know quite all right that this man now Father Abraham of Nigeria, you know quite all right say monkey dem no dey give her banana hoe. You can't carry beautiful fresh Regina go that kind place because you get plan. The worst part of it, e just arrange her on that 3 weeks. He say make Regina quickly marry this man because he know say
We married within 3 weeks.
because he know say if social media here when they will carry am, Regina mind go change. Regina fans, they go write to her and say this your decision not good. They go give her reason. Then the mama quickly cover up. He say make they quickly do marriage. Even on that day of that traditional this introduction or so where they show, you can see that girl face, she no make up. Regina when they make up anyhow, she no make up. They force her to come and do that this thing. They beg her to come and do that this thing. Why Mama Regina? Wetin be car? Wetin be money? People when be say they get wet, they get everything, they are still crying. People when be say they get everything you think of, they are still lacking. Nobody can have everything in this world. No matter how many houses you have or cars, you can never have everything in this world. You pretended and say your pikin find love when you be say now you carry this pikin go meet this man. See there you 3 weeks of knowing your daughter, you allow your daughter to marry him. Then you say now love, now your pikin found because of money. Where this money wan lead you to? You get other children. Now Regina don't stop to the go school. She no graduate. Secondly, Regina don't stop acting. You no let her pursue her career, but you forget say career na career. Career is your life. You forget that. Many people they pursue their career not because of money. Regina now just dey sleep now because the tension for her is too much. Then who can never carry the 7th wife enter household? That's why I see say things still be like this. Very soon, if the 7th wife don't enter, now that time you see say kaki, it no be letter. I just dey pity for Regina because she's innocent. Now small girl wey dey innocent. Why mama go push pikin to this extent? Now she don dey shop their amala and pepper soup for social media. The only help when the mother wan help Regina now, e can go arrange people make dem protest, but they say na Regina family na they arrange that protest. When they come dey protest, Mona listen. People, you see now this one be the help when they want help Regina at this time of her life. Regina they take banya, she dey drink, she dey smoke, she never even think about all these things. She don't drop school, she know they heart again. Then now to go arrange people make they come they protest. What the protest want me now? Yeah, Nedwoko for verse for Mama Regina because it does they marry before. Now Regina how come different. And secondly, this protest wey they do so, Nedwoko equal where we put, e not like her at all. Because he say why do they do protest for her? Not be Buhari, we not do road or we not give Nigeria lights. Which protest they come they protest for Nedwoko now? Then Nedwoko they verse, he say Regina Daniel, he met the wrong man. Yeah, Rita Daniel, that thing wey you do to take convince your daughter to marry Nedwoko, still do the thing make your daughter Regina make you fit sit down for your husband house. He don't marry. She go nowhere, make she sit down. If Regina dare leave Nedwoko, no be my mouth now for year. Nedwoko wife, they know they leave her because it does spend. They no fit leave her. So people when they advise Regina say come out, this and this. No, Regina not come out. So this one na big wahala. Now you and your mama una put una self because trouble they sleep. Nyanga, he go wake up. Maybe this one. Nedwoko wife, they no dey leave am. E dey take care of them. E dey give them everything they want. Na him spend all him money. If you are leaving him, you are leaving him with zero. Una never knows that man wanna go jam. Una think say na push and start man. So because of this protest now, Nedwoko really vex. He vex well for Mama Regina. Gbege don dey everywhere. My own advice for here be say, mothers, please don't push your children to do what will affect their life because of your own selfish interest, because of say you wan get money, you wan reign. But your pikin, you know, they think about. So I dey feel say this kind of mother, they don't love their daughter, but then they pretend say they love their daughter. If Regina now be the everything for the house, now be this, now be that. Brother go do the Oko Regina, the other one go do the Oko Regina, because now Regina now be everything now. Just as people when still dey Europe, once you don't come Europe, mosquito fly past, now you the Oko fly flat. Regina just be like person when come Europe, come sacrifice the life for family, because everything now so. Please, that thing when you do to take fit change Regina, make it take marry Nedwoko, when e be say she no agree, still go do am back. Make she take go back to school, make she take stop gbanya, make she take start her career and acting, still go do am, because the way things are going now is not really good. Abeg, no na learn from this their story. Young girls, if your mama push you to this kind of thing, think about your own life. And Regina, stop posting on social media. You are not helping at all, because the way you take dey post all this your cars, your ring, your diamond, this, your that, you dey push other young girls to go look for Papa Yoyo too. I tell you, Nana, 2 girls they call me, they say they defend Nedwoko because Regina posted don scatter their heads. They say they defend Nedwoko. Abeg, I dey hear me say they talk about am. If I get the phone number, make I give them. Say that they dream about Nedwoko. Say they really need him. Not say they say I no get Nedwoko number. Because of the posting when Regina they post, they want be like Regina. So just stay with your husband. If you don't say na 10th wife come, take care of your children. Born join pikin and take care of your children. And my advice for you be that one. As far as say the man not dey raise hand on you, but I know say they pass through emotional torture right now. But try your best to see how you will fit solve that your emotional torture. Thank you so much, my lovely people. I will stop this video for here. Please leave your comment down there. What you think about this whole thing? This about Mama Regina. What you think about it? Drop your opinion. And only God know how this matter will take end. But I just pray that God will see Regina through, because Regina is the victim here. Please, as you watch this video, share this video to all your social media network. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you are sharing our video, you are saving souls. So thank you for sharing. Thank you for watching. God bless you. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. Children's Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.